Yo, no remember when Dr. Sebi say mucus cause every disease? Well, I am gonna dive deeper. Me go show you what cause every disease. And when you figure this out, your life will never be the same again. Yo, don't skip the dial here, you know. This is one of the most powerful video about health you will ever watch on the internet. Now watch this. As I said, Dr. Sebi said that mucus causes every disease, but I'm gonna go deeper than mucus. No, if something affect the nostril, like smoke or dust, you realize that there are some cells that is inside the nostril with ear follicle. These cells are called epithelial cells. Their reaction cause a mucus discharge just to trap the dust. Now, what really causes mucus inside of the body? It's when you eat acidic food. The body reacts to acidity and release mucus from the layer of the skin. Now, what causes acidity? The acidic food, yes, the fast food, but that's number two. What causes acidity? Number one, the top thing that causes acidity, it's parasite pooping and pissing in the gut. So this is why when you have a large infestation of parasite within the body and they're pooping and peeping, there's a high level of ammonia in the body and the body see that as poison and acidic. Therefore the body start plunging and pushing out large clogs of mucus. And this is the trilogy. This is what is tying up your lumens, which you call your veins and arteries. So, what we could conclude right here is that parasite is the main cause of all disease. People, I try to tell you, yes, in the new book, Earth, book one. Go and get the book, man. We have on the website with a parasite program to eliminate tough parasite. We first remove the mercury, which is the aluminum that is inside the head, so that the parasite cannot jump across the gap and hide away from your simple dewormers. And then when we expose the parasite, we kill them with our colon and parasite cleanser set. My friend, the health industry naturally pump airborne parasite eggs in the ear daily. It is what they feed off and fuel the billion-dollar health industry that cause all the man-made disease. The truth cannot be told, it only can be realized. I will never die because of this video. Share it if you want. Work like this to hit the roof of the firmament and cause an eternal flames. I'm out. Knowledgeable, true virgin. Yeah, man. Support the foundation. Here we have the book. We have the foundation with the health herbal remedies. Here is the website, and we have so much more going. Based on observation and clients that we have met,
on the diseases that have been surfacing today,
we have formulated
tinctures
to assist these diseases. Here goes. For cleaning the liver and the kidney, and also UTI, urinary tract infection, any form of blood infection.
Choose the liver and kidney tincture.
No, men, for prostate, inflammation, increase in energy, ED, erectile dysfunction, blood circulation, lymphatic system, immunity, and hormonal imbalance.
Choose Imperial Vitality.
Of course, Miracle Woman.
For womb wellness, heavy period, and painful cramps, and hormonal imbalance, choose
Empress Vitality. Of course, you're vital.
Yo, King.
Yo, for diabetic, pre-diabetic, persons with insulin resistant cell, choose.
Blood sugar balancer.
KTV Foundation have produced a one for all. The holistic 8 system: circulatory, respiratory, digestive, nervous, endocrine, lymphatic, reproductive, and urinary system. Support the book on Amazon and on my website, The Clothesline and the One for All Remedy, Holistic 8.